I was offered.
How much?
10 million. They paid a deposit of 7 million to people and 3 million after the voting.
Ukawacha 10 million.
Niliwacha hiyo 10 million.
Okay, ile 7.
Sio 10 ni 7 plus 3.
No, si 7 ni depo.
Yeah, hiyo sasa ilikuwa uchukue depo na wende. And me, I said this thing, one thing I said is that an innocent man, even the devil, gave him his due. The Katiba is very clear that the procedure for impeaching the president shall apply to the deputy president with the necessary amendments. And I said, even the National Assembly, did not get out the necessary amendments for impeaching this man. Can we go back and get the law right? Again, we're going back to the law. Why is it necessary amendments? A vice president does not enjoy immunity from prosecution, from a criminal investigation, from all those things, or civil litigation, that's available to the president under Article 143 of the Constitution. He's just an ordinary guy. So, a lot of the things that were being thrown at Rigiji were matters of law enforcement that needed to be taken to the OCS. Okay? And we need to have a clear procedure of how are we going to do to handle the impeachment of a deputy president. So by mere fact that we are using the procedure of impeaching the president and disobeying the requirement that we amend it, I said I will not condemn a man unheard.
So you voted?
The president enjoys very high immunity. Therefore, it is expected that if he abuses that, he should be taken to the gallows immediately. He should be subjected to mob justice or something like that, but not the vice president. So on principle, and I spoke, but you remember when I was speaking, people were speaking for 5 minutes, the speaker cut me off at the second minute. But I don't pass my message that we are violating the Constitution, and I cannot live to violate the Constitution. And that's why on all the 11 impeachments of Rigiji, I voted no on each one of them. I did not abstain. I did not absentee myself.
By the mere fact that you wanted him to also have the right to
so I voted no. I cannot condemn an innocent man, however much I don't agree with him.